I've got to admit, it is beautiful out here. Out these parts, well worth the walk anyway. Obviously this has nothing to do with Planet X or anything like that, so if anyone's watching it for that, you might be disappointed. I've not been paying attention to the sky of late, to be honest, because of the actual system. It seems to come around in about September time and is sort of visible till about February. I'm noticing it for about 3 years or 4 years now, so at least this time of year it's not even worth trying to observe. There's nothing to observe. I thought there's a couple of my viewers who blame geospatial sky who would probably enjoy this. Well, a few people should. I've actually been coming out here running most days and doing a lot of walking on top of it, just for extra fitness and stuff. Actually, glorious evening, it's beautiful. I've been getting about a lot around places and stuff. Start living my life, and I've probably explained it on a few videos of having this narcissist person in my life who's so destructive and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? Just literally, well, actually I ain't going to go into it, it's just pointless, but you ain't got time in life for bullshit. You know, life is to be enjoyed and having good fun and good times, not that. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want the video to be too long-winded, but yeah, God bless.